Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. Are you ready to escape to a world of whimsy and wonder right in the comfort of your own home? Say goodbye to mundane decor and hello to enchantment. In this guide, we'll explore a myriad of whimsical decor ideas that will transport you to a magical realm where creativity knows no bounds. Let's sprinkle some fairy dust and embark on a journey to transform your space into a whimsical oasis. Fairy light delight. Illuminate your space with the soft, twinkling glow of fairy lights. String them along walls, drape them over furniture, or weave them through branches to create a dreamy ambience. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply unwinding after a long day, fairy lights add a touch of magic to any room. Botanical bliss. Bring the outdoors in with lush greenery and whimsical botanical accents. Fill your space with potted plants, hanging terrariums, and cascading vines to create a whimsical garden oasis. Embrace the natural beauty of foliage to infuse your home with life and vitality. Playful patterns. Inject personality into your decor with playful patterns and prints. From quirky polka dots to whimsical florals, don't be afraid to mix and match to create a visually captivating space. Experiment with bold colors and unexpected combinations to add a sense of whimsy to your home. Eclectic accents. Curate a collection of eclectic accents that showcase your unique style and personality. Think vintage trinkets, quirky sculptures, and one-of-a-kind treasures that spark joy in conversation. Let your imagination run wild as you explore flea markets, thrift stores, and artisan boutiques in search of the perfect whimsical finds. DIY magic. Unleash your creativity with DIY decor projects that add a personalized touch to your space. Create your own enchanted artwork, whimsical dreamcatchers, or magical mobiles using everyday materials and a dash of imagination. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that your space is truly one of a kind. Fantasy furniture. Elevate your decor with furniture pieces that evoke a sense of fantasy and wonder. From ornate canopy beds to whimsical accent chairs, choose statement pieces that serve as focal points in your space. Don't be afraid to mix styles and eras to create a curated, eclectic look that is uniquely yours. Enchanting lighting fixtures. Upgrade your lighting fixtures to add an extra dose of enchantment to your space. Choose whimsical chandeliers adorned with crystals or playful pendant lights shaped like stars or clouds. Opt for fixtures with intricate designs or whimsical motifs that cast captivating shadows and patterns, transforming your room into a magical realm after dark. Storybook-inspired nooks. Create cozy reading nooks or relaxation corners inspired by your favorite storybooks or fairy tales. Layer plush cushions and throws on a window seat or cozy armchair, accompanied by a whimsically styled bookshelf filled with beloved tales. Add fairy tale-inspired artwork or decorative elements like antique keys or mystical crystals to enhance the enchanting atmosphere. Magical mirror magic. Incorporate mirrors into your decor to add a touch of magic and illusion to your space. Choose ornate mirrors with intricate frames reminiscent of enchanted mirrors from folklore or opt for whimsical shapes like sunbursts, moons, or stars. Strategically place mirrors to reflect natural light and visually expand your space, creating an ethereal and otherworldly ambience. Whimsical wall art. Transform your walls into a gallery of whimsical wonders with captivating artwork and creative displays. Hang framed prints featuring whimsical illustrations, surreal landscapes, or dreamy scenes that transport you to imaginary worlds. Experiment with gallery walls adorned with a mix of artwork, mirrors, and decorative accents to create a visually stimulating and enchanting focal point in your room. Dreamy drapery. Elevate your windows with dreamy drapery and curtains that add a touch of romance and whimsy to your space. Choose lightweight fabrics like sheer voile or ethereal chiffon in soft pastel hues or delicate floral prints to evoke a sense of fantasy and enchantment. Add decorative tiebacks, tassels, or fringe for an extra dose of whimsy and charm. Mystical music. Enhance the magical ambience of your space with soothing music or enchanting melodies that transport you to a realm of imagination and wonder. Create curated playlists inspired by fantasy soundtracks, nature sounds, or mystical melodies to set the mood and enhance the enchanting atmosphere of your whimsical retreat. Cosmic ceiling. Turn your ceiling into a celestial masterpiece with cosmic-inspired decor. Paint a whimsical night sky complete with stars, constellations, and even a glowing moon to create a dreamy atmosphere that's out of this world. Consider adding glow-in-the-dark stars or installing fiber optic lights to mimic the twinkling of distant galaxies for an extra touch of magic. Enchanted entrance. Welcome guests into your whimsical realm with an enchanted entrance that sets the tone for the rest of your space. Frame your doorway with lush greenery, fairy lights, or whimsical arches adorned with flowers and ribbons. Consider adding a whimsical doormat featuring playful designs or welcoming messages that invite visitors to step into your magical world. Elemental elegance. Incorporate elements of nature into your decor to evoke a sense of elemental magic and harmony. Introduce water features like tabletop fountains or cascading wall-mounted waterfalls to add a soothing and enchanting ambience. Incorporate earthy textures such as stone, wood, and natural fibers to ground your space and create a sense of connection to the natural world. Mystical mementos. Personalize your space with mystical mementos and treasures that hold special meaning or significance to you. Display magical artifacts, mystical crystals, or whimsical keepsakes collected from your travels or adventures. Infuse your decor with objects that inspire wonder and curiosity, creating a space that reflects your unique journey and imagination. Secret garden sanctuary. Create a secret garden sanctuary indoors by incorporating elements of outdoor enchantment into your space. Set up a whimsical indoor garden filled with lush plants, blooming flowers, and meandering pathways adorned with fairy lights and stepping stones. Add cozy seating areas tucked away beneath climbing vines or nestled within hidden alcoves for moments of quiet contemplation and relaxation. Whimsical window treatments. Dress up your windows with whimsical window treatments that add charm and character to your space. Install sheer curtains embellished with delicate embroidery, lace, or whimsical patterns to filter natural light and create a soft, ethereal glow. Add decorative tiebacks, tassels, or pom-pom trim for an extra touch of whimsy and elegance. Magical murals. Transform your walls into works of art with whimsical murals that ignite the imagination and transport you to fantastical realms. Hire a mural artist to paint enchanting scenes such as mystical forests, underwater kingdoms, or celestial landscapes that wrap around your space, creating a sense of depth and dimension. Alternatively, opt for removable wallpaper featuring whimsical designs that allow you to easily change up your decor whenever inspiration strikes. Whimsical wonders. Above all, let your creativity run wild and embrace the joy of whimsy as you decorate your space. Whether you're incorporating fantastical creatures, mythical motifs, or playful patterns, infuse every corner of your home with a sense of magic and wonder. Remember that whimsical decor is all about celebrating imagination, individuality, and the joy of creating a space that brings you endless delight and inspiration. Enigmatic book nooks. Create cozy book nooks or reading corners inspired by mysterious libraries or ancient tomes. Install built-in bookshelves or vintage cabinets filled with leather-bound books, scrolls, and magical artifacts. Add plush armchairs or velvet chaise lounges draped with rich fabrics and adorned with oversized cushions for a luxurious and inviting reading experience. Illuminate your reading sanctuary with soft, warm lighting to enhance the atmosphere of mystery and intrigue. Whimsical wardrobe. Extend the magic of your decor to your wardrobe with whimsical touches that enchant and inspire. Organize your clothing and accessories with vintage trunks, ornate jewelry boxes, and decorative hat stands reminiscent of bygone eras. Display your favorite garments like works of art by hanging them on decorative hooks or arranging them on whimsical mannequins or dress forms. Incorporate fairy tale-inspired accents such as enchanted mirrors or magical vanity tables to add a touch of fantasy to your daily routine. Fairy tale feasts. Elevate your dining experience with fairy tale-inspired tablescapes that enchant the senses and ignite the imagination. Set the stage for magical meals with whimsical dinnerware featuring delicate patterns, intricate designs, or fantastical motifs. Add enchanting centerpieces composed of fresh flowers, trailing vines, or flickering candles to create a captivating focal point. Enhance the ambience with soft music, dim lighting, and ethereal decorations that transport diners to a world of culinary enchantment and delight. Whimsical window seats. Transform your windows into charming window seats where you can daydream, relax, and bask in the beauty of natural light. Install custom-built window benches adorned with plush cushions, cozy blankets, and decorative pillows in whimsical fabrics and patterns. Frame your window seats with billowing curtains, fairy lights, or cascading vines to create a cozy and intimate nook that beckons you to escape into a world of imagination and wonder. Personalize your window seats with dreamy artwork, inspirational quotes, or treasured mementos that reflect your unique style and personality. Mythical mantelpieces. Turn your fireplace mantel into a magical focal point with enchanting decor inspired by mythology, folklore, and legend. Adorn your mantelpiece with mystical creatures, mythical artifacts, and whimsical trinkets that capture the imagination and evoke a sense of wonder. Arrange clusters of candles, crystal balls, and potion bottles alongside antique mirrors, ornate frames, and botanical specimens to create a spellbinding display that transports you to realms of fantasy and adventure. Incorporate seasonal elements such as evergreen branches, twinkling lights, or shimmering snowflakes to celebrate holidays and special occasions with an extra touch of enchantment.